So, my dear viewers, here we are with our next episode, episode 12, the basic English grammar. We have future perfect continuous tense. What we have? Future perfect continuous tense. So, as usual, my dear viewers, take out your notebooks, pens, pencils with you and start writing, because we are learning with fun. We are learning with fun. So, my dear viewers, here we are. First of all, we have to identify it. How we will have to identify that at the last of the sentence, what it would be. Now, you are, mashallah, quite intelligent. You have learnt a lot. So, what we have, सुबह से कर रहा होगा, शाम से कर रही होगी, सुबह से खा रहा होगा, कल दोपहर से मैच दी. These sort of words come at the end of the sentence and we identify. What is the next step, my dear viewers? Yes? Yes. How to make it? How to make it? First of all, we have to see that what type of helping verb we will use in this tense. So, we will use in this tense, how to make it, we will use will have been. What we will use helping verb? Helping verb would be will have been and with first form of verb adding ing, and we will use since and for. You know well how we use since and how we use for. When we use since, when time span is not given, सुबह से, शाम से, 1960 से, जुम्मा से, Friday से, we will use since. When numeric value is given 6 घंटे, 100 साल, 150 years, we will use for. So you are quite comfortable because this is our 12th lecture and I hope you are quite familiar with these type of terms and with these type of things. My dear viewers, I'm enjoying my lecture very well. I hope you will enjoy as well. So inshallah we will move along, good to better and better to best. So, second last, negative sentence. Remember, in this sentence, we will use will not have. We will use will not have and first form of verb adding ing with since and for, as usual we have done in other tenses. Last but not the least, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we will always start the sentence with will. My rules are very basic, precise, concise, and understandable, my dear viewers. I hope you will like it and you will learn it. So, as usual, 3 positive, 3 negative, and 3 interrogatives, and then we are done with it. Isn't it? So, sky is the limit, my dear viewers. We are learning with fun. So, what else next? First sentence. वो सुबह से इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहा होगा. How we will gonna translate it? Yes. वो, he. वो means he. Then helping verb. He will have been preparing the examination since morning. So simple, so easy. What else next? नसीम कल से कपड़े सी रही होगी. Naseem will have been stitching the clothes since yesterday. Naseem will have been stitching the clothes since yesterday. So far, so good. It's easy, isn't it? What else next? हम कल से shopping कर रहे होंगे. We will have been doing shopping since yesterday. It's easy, isn't it? It's easy. What else next? The 3 negative sentences. So, वो कल से मैच नहीं देख रहे होंगे. How will you gonna translate it? वो means they. They will not have been watching the match since yesterday. It's easy, isn't it? डॉक्टर 2 घंटे से मरीजों का मुआयना नहीं कर रहा होगा. You see, how will you use this? The doctor is a single person, third person, singular. The doctor will not have been examining the patients for 2 hours. The doctor will not have been examining the patients for 2 hours. It's simple, isn't it? Easy. Right. Okay. What else next? तुम हफ्ते से पिकनिक पर जाने का प्रोग्राम नहीं बना रहे होगे. You will not have been. You will not have been planning to go for a picnic since Friday. Isn't it? Easy, simple. So, what's about the three interrogative? How will you going to make it? First sentence, I'm going to ask you, you have to make it. क्या मुसाफिर कल से सफ़र पर रवाना हो रहे होंगे? क्या मुसाफिर कल से सफ़र पर रवाना हो रहे होंगे? This you have to make it. Believe me, my dear viewers, I'm trying my level best to be more simple, to be more concise, to be more precise in order to give you the real conceptual meaning of the subject. So, what else next? We have to make three interrogative sentences. क्या आप कल से इस नावल को पढ़ रहे होंगे? क्या आप will you have been reading this novel since yesterday? Will you have been reading this novel since yesterday? It's easy, simple, isn't it? That's pretty simple. You can make even better than this one. Okay, now what else next? क्या आप एक माह से शादी की तैयारियां कर रहे होंगे? How would you say it? क्या आप means you. Will you have been planning marriage preparation for 1 month? For 1 month. So we will not use since. We will use for 1 month. I've just given a trick to you. Isn't it? So simple, so easy. Okay. What else next? क्या तालब इल्म संडे से पिकनिक पे जा रहे होंगे? How will you gonna translate it? Will the students have been planning to go for a picnic since Sunday? Since Sunday. So it's easy, isn't it, my dear viewers? So you have seen, believe me, I did try my level best, my dear viewers, to teach you in a very convenient, precise and understandable way. So I would love to request you, all of those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. I always pray for you, my dear viewers. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you, health, wealth, peace and prosperity in your life. Ameen. With lots of du'as and lots of prayers and lots of respects. Do remember me in your prayers, and inshallah ta'ala see you in next episode, writing episode. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.